how to load the heavy duty staple gun from DeWALT. Now if you have the DeWALT 5-in-1, it's exactly the same. You want to come to the back here of the handle and you'll see this little press section here. Press this down and it allows you, with that press down, to take out the mechanism like that. Now this is where you want to add your staples or your nails, and if you're not sure what size staples or brad nails you can use, it's on the back of the handle here on both the heavy duty and the 5-in-1. So once you have the section open here, get your brad nails or your staples, just slot it in like that, and now you want to press this mechanism here. See, there's now tension, but you want to press this end down when you get to the end. So once we're here, press it down and that'll lock it in position, and you'll have successfully loaded your nails or your staples into the DeWALT heavy duty or the 5-in-1. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.